Once upon a time, a man lived with his wife and 2 daughters. They were a happy family. The parents loved each other, and they loved their children very much. But one day, the mother became sick. Soon after, she passed away. The father and the girls cried for many days. The house felt cold and empty. After some time, the father thought, "I cannot cook. I cannot fetch water. My daughters need a mother. I need help." One day he met a young, beautiful woman. He liked her. She smiled at him, and his lonely heart felt warm. "Please marry me," he said softly. "Be my wife." The woman watched him carefully. "I will marry you," she said, "but I will not look after your daughters. Send them away. Then I will come." The father felt a sharp pain in his heart. She is beautiful. Maybe she will love them later, he told himself. "Very well," he whispered. "I will send them away." That night, he sat beside his daughters. His voice shook. "Tomorrow, I am getting married again. My new wife. She does not like children. You must hide in the grain store. Do not worry. You will have food." The big sister held the little one's hand. They were scared, but they listened. The next morning, the father brought the woman home. He said to her, "My ancestors' spirits live in the grain store. Please give them food 3 times a day. They are always hungry." The woman agreed and began bringing food. The 2 daughters ate quietly in the dark store, waiting and hoping. But one afternoon, she went to the hairdresser. "I must hurry," she said. "It is time to give food to my husband's ancestors." The hairdresser laughed. "Ancestors? No. His daughters live in that store. You are feeding them." The woman's face turned hard and cold. "My husband lied to me. Those stupid girls." When she reached home, she did not bring food. She locked the grain store door and shouted, "No more food for you! I don't want you!" The little sister cried, "We have nothing to eat." The big sister hugged her. "Don't cry. We will find a way." When the father came home, the woman shouted, "You lied to me! I will leave you if you keep those girls. Choose them or choose me." The father felt weak. He loved his daughters, but he feared losing his wife. In a broken voice, he said, "I will take them away. Tomorrow." Early morning came. The forest was quiet. "Come," he said softly to his girls. "We will walk." They walked all day. The sisters grew tired. At last he said, "Rest here. Sleep under this tree." The children lay down. When they slept, the father whispered, "I will come back. I promise." But he knew he was too afraid of his wife to return. He placed a thick branch between them so they would think he was still there, then left them alone. In the night, the little one woke up. "Sister, I hear something. I'm scared." The big sister listened. "It is a wolf," she whispered. "He is hungry." The wolf came closer. The girls trembled. "Our clothes are leather," said the big sister. "Give him small pieces." They tore small pieces from their clothes and threw them. The wolf sniffed them, ate them, and slowly walked away. Morning arrived. "Father didn't come back," the little sister said, her voice full of tears. "We will find help," the big sister said. "We must be brave." She climbed a tall tree and looked around. "I see a house. It is big. There are cows and sheep. Let's go." They walked to the house. A man came out. He was tall, strong, and had angry eyes. "That man is dangerous," the big sister whispered. "He looks like a cruel hunter. We must be careful." When the hunter left with his animals, the big sister said, "Wait here. I will get food." She ran inside, found bread, and brought it to her sister. The next day she did the same, and the next. On the fourth day, the little sister said, "I want to come too. I don't want to stay alone." "You run slowly," the big sister warned, but the little one shook her head. "I am coming." They ran together. The big sister found food quickly and ran out, but the little sister stayed too long. The hunter came back early. He grabbed her. "Aha! A little thief!" he shouted. He put her in a sack and tied the top. He pulled the sack up to the roof and left her hanging there. The big sister hid outside, her heart pounding. When the hunter left again with his cows, she ran inside. "Little sister, where are you?" she cried. "Here! I'm here!" the little sister shouted from above. The big sister climbed up, cut the rope, and helped her out. Then the girls filled the sack with heavy stones. They pulled the sack up again and ran far from the house, hiding behind trees. When the hunter returned, he hit the sack with a stick. "You bad little girl," he shouted. The rope broke. The stones fell on him. He cried out and fell to the ground. He did not move again. The sisters held each other tightly. "We are safe," the big sister whispered. They walked away from the house. For a long time they wandered through the forest until they reached a small cottage. An old woman opened the door. She had gentle eyes. "Oh, dear children," she said softly, "why are you alone?" The little sister began to cry. "Please, help us." The old woman hugged them. "Come inside. You will be safe now." She gave them warm food and soft beds, and she kept them as her own daughters. The sisters were finally safe. They lived in peace, with love, kindness, and a home where no one ever pushed them away again.